Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Barun Education. So today I'm going to talk about present continuous tense. Actually, if you want to speak this language fluently, so you have to know some grammatical rules. Actually, I am saying, in my opinion, if you want to learn this language fluently, so you have to know some topics which is very important to speak in English, because every topic is not important to speak this language in English grammar, but yeah, some topic is important. If you want to, if you don't have environment, so you have to learn this language, this topic, and then you will speak this language fluently. So today I am discuss about spoken English, which is required. Actually, topic is that present continuous tense. Actually, I did present indefinite tense, and today I am doing present continuous tense, and you have to focus this topic because this topic is very important. It's a present work. If you working like right now, I'm creating a video, so this is a present continuous tense. So which things actually in this time, which things is going on now, so that thing is present continuous tense. Actually, you have to know very well.